Welcome to my drawing channel. I'm Abdul and I want to show you some tutorials for drawing and easy to reproduce step-by-step pictures. I hope you like my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, start now drawing. Importance of friend Veda goes to his maternal grandmother's house during summer vacation. There the Vedas enjoy a lot because there is a garden of Nani's mango. There the Vedas eat and play a lot of mangoes. He also has 5 friends, but Bed does not feed him mango. It was a matter of one day, Veda got hurt while playing. Veda's friends picked up the Vedas and took them home and told her mother about her injury, on which Veda was massaged. Mummy thanked those friends and feed them a lot of mangoes. When the Vedas were cured, he understood the importance of a friend. Now he used to play with them and eat a lot of mangoes. Moral education: friends are companions of happiness and sorrow. You should love them, nothing should be hidden. Fruit of mercy. King Subudgin was very poor earlier. Was an ordinary soldier. One day he took a gun and went to the forest to hunt on horseback. That day he had to run a lot and get surprised. After going very far, he saw a deer with her small calf. Subudgin ran after him. The deer ran away in fear and hid in a bush, but his younger child was left behind. Subudgin caught the baby deer, tied its legs and loaded it on the horse. Even after searching a lot, when the deer was not found, he returned with the child. The deer saw that its calf was being tied and taken away by the hunter. She came out of the bush out of love for her child. And she started running after Subudgin's horse. After going far away, Subudgin looked back. He was surprised to see the deer running behind him and felt pity. He untied the child's legs and removed him from the horse. The deer became happy and ran away with her child. Hindi story. That day, when Subudgin returned home and slept at night, he saw a dream. An angel was saying to him, Subudgin, the kindness you have shown to a poor deer today, God has written your name in the list of kings. You will become a king one day. Subudgin's dream was true. He later became a king. Moral of the story: to be kind to a deer who is kind to living beings. God is definitely pleased with that. Drawing and easy to reproduce step-by-step pictures. I hope you like my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. interesting and easy to reproduce step-by-step pictures. I hope you like my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.